Hello, welcome to another video from Random Shashi. In this video I am going to unbox and give my first impression of the Zebronics Transformer Gaming Mouse and Keyboard. This combo only costs 1,500 rupees or $22 US. The keyboard has a total of 104 keys, and the wire has a decent length of 1.8 meters. Now let's unbox it. The mouse has 7 color-breathing RGB LED lighting. It has 3 extra buttons, which are forward, backward and DPI. Also it has an aluminum backplate. The keyboard has a fully aluminum body, and has 3 different RGB light modes. And if you want you can turn off the backlight completely. The keyboard has a nice mechanical feel to it. I will list all the pros and cons of this gaming keyboard and mouse. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.